we are going to discuss about grammar in automata theory. So grammar is represented by G. G is represented by quadruple, that is VTPS, where V is a finite set of variables, T is a finite set of terminals, P is a finite set of production, and S, it belongs to V, is a special symbol called starting variable. Here we must know variability is represented by the capital alphabet. T is a terminal, which is small alphabet, and P is production set, which produce some strings, and S is a starting variable. So where from we start reducing to the string. So actually the grammar is used to form language. So we will see. So consider a grammar. That is G is, so variable is, that is S, A, terminals are like A comma B, and production P, and starting variable is S, where production P is defined as S is implied to small a capital A small b, and A is implied to small a capital A small b or epsilon. Find out the language which can be generated by the grammar, that is L of G. We find out the language. So in this particular case, first of all we will find out the least length of the string. The least length of string, that is S is implied to small a capital S small b, and This is A, and A is belongs to epsilon, that is, and next is B. So this epsilon is basically a special kinds of terminal input which is used to jump from one state to another state in case of automata. So some property of this special symbol epsilon that we need to know, the epsilon concatenate with, suppose a input symbol is A, so then this will be reduced to A. So A concatenate with the epsilon, so then this will be A. So here also the same thing, A epsilon B, it will be produce AB. This will be the least length of string. So other string so S is supposed to be, this is small a capital A B. A is also substituted by, this is small a B. So here you just see, this is A capital A B, where we are using the production, that is A is implied to small a capital A B. This production we are using. So in this particular case, A, it is replaced by epsilon, that is A epsilon BB. So we are using the production A is implied to epsilon. So you see this will be A square B square, and next what are the string it can be possible to generate? That is, S is implied to small a capital A B. A is, this is A capital A B B. We are using this production, A is implied to small a capital A small b. Now again we are using the same production, that is A is implied to small a capital A B. In that particular case we will get A, then A B B. So then we are using the same productions here also. So here we are using A is implied to small a capital A B, this production. Now A epsilon B, we are using this production A is implied to epsilon, that production we are using. So we are getting, this is A B, so that is basically AQ BQ. So in this case, so the set of strings which can possible to generate from this grammar, this will be AB is the least length of the string, next is that A square B square, next is the AQ BQ, in that way. So the features of the string, number of A and number of B is equal. Number of A and number of B is equal. Second thing is that number of A is followed by the number of B's. So first all A's, then all B. So the language, it will generate the language, they generate the L of G. This is equal to A and B, both will be equal. If the power of A is n, then power of B will be n. A first, then B. Next B will be occur. And as the least length of the string, that is AB, so then the power of A and power of B, that will be start from 1. So n is greater than 0. That means it will be start from 1. So that we can write. Otherwise, so just you see that is n value, it is greater than 0. That means it will be start from 1. Least value of n is 1. Then 2, 3, 4 in that way. So otherwise we can write that is n is greater than or equal to 1. Greater than equal to 1 also. No problem. The same thing. Same thing. n is greater than equal to 1. So if we consider n value is 1, so note n value is equal to 1, then string will be a to the power 1, b to the power 1, that is equal to ab. If n value is 2, then a square, b square. So if the n value is 3, then string will be aq, bq. In that way, so all string will generate. So here the language will be this: a to the power n, b to the power n, whereas n greater than equal to 1 for the grammar. So I think this is clear to everybody. The grammar, it is given. You need to find out the language. So language will be this. So from grammar to language or language to grammar, that can be possible to convert. So now we are going to the next grammar. So convert from grammar to language. Convert from grammar to language. So suppose the grammar G, that is represented by the sum variable, that is S A B, terminals A B C, and production and starting symbol we are considering this is S. Production set, it is defined as S is implied to AB, A it implies to small a capital AB or AB, and B it is implied to small cb or C. Find out the language L of G. So solution, for the solution, first of all we will try to find out least length of the string. S is implied to AB, A is implied to AB, and B is implied to C. So we are considering the production A is implied to AB and B is implied to C. These are the production we are used here. So this is the least length of the string. Then other string, other strings. So S is implied to AB, A is implied to small a, capital A, small b, B is implied to C. So we are using A is implied to small a, capital B, capital A B, and B is implied to C. So here we are using this is small a, capital A, B, B, C. We are using A is implied to small a, capital A, B. So we are getting this is A. Now this A, it might be substituted by AB. So A, B, so BB, then C. So we are using this is A is implied to, this is small a, capital A, small b. So here this is AQ, BQ, C. A square B square C, it also possible to generate. So suppose AC is implied to AB, A is implied to small a, capital A, B, B. So A is implied to small a, capital A, B, and A is implied to small a, small b. This is A, B, B, and B is to C. So A is implied to small a, capital A, B. Sorry. So A is implied to, here this is AB, and B is implied to C. These productions we are using here. So we are getting, this is A square B square C. So number of C also it might be increased. That is, suppose AC is implied to AB. So A is implied to small a, capital A, B, and this B is there. So this A, B, B, this is small b. Now we are going to reduce B. A, B, B, this is B is implied to small c, capital B. So we are using the production B is implied to small c, capital B, this production. So again, this is A square B square CB. So this B, again it is reduced, A square B square C, B is reduced by CB. B is implied to CB. So now we are getting A square B square. This B supposed to be reduced by C. So C, C, C. So this will be A square B square C cube. So domain of the string or set of strings is equal to ABC, that is list length of the string. Then other string it might be A square B square C, AQ BQ C, then AQ BQ C square, in that way. In that way the different string it can be produced. So what will be the language? What will be the language corresponding to this grammar? The language for the grammar, that is L of G, is equal to ABC. So here the features of string is number of A and number of B are equal. So feature number of A and number of B is equal, and C might be different. Number of C may be different. And second feature is that number of A is followed by number of B's is followed by number of C's. That will be all A first, next all B, next all C. So here, to make it the number of A and number of B equals, so then A to the power m, so then B to the power also m, the both will be equal, because just you see this A B equal A square B square, A cube B cube, so this equal, and C to the power n, whereas the m and n is greater than 0, m and n is greater than 0. So the language A to the power m, B to the power m, C to the power n, m n greater than 0. So L of G, A to the power m, B to the power m, C to the power n, whereas m n greater than 0. Here you just see m and n, m and n are different, and m and m. So here you just see A and B. The power of A and power of B should be equal, and n is different, may be different. So the least value of m and n, it is 1. So how that least length of the string it will be generated? If you consider the m is equal to 1, so A to the power 1, B to the power 1, C to the power 1, that is A, B, C. So m value is equal to 1 and n value is equal to 1. So for m value is equal to 1 and n value is equal to 1, A to the power 1, B to the power 1, C to the power 1, that is equal to A, B, C. This is the least length of the string is generated. Next one, this string, how it will be generated? So if you consider that m value is equal to 2 and n value is equal to so n value is equal to 1, then we will get A, B, C, A to the power m, B to the power m, that is A square, B square, and C to the power 1, that means C. That is basically A square, B square, C, that string will generate. So A square, B square, C, this string will be generated. In that way, so these are all string can be possible to generate by the grammar. So we will see how the different grammar it is possible to convert the language, and language is also possible to generate the grammar. From language it is possible to generate the grammar. So we will discuss next class the more example about how to convert from grammar to language and language to grammar. So today up to this, So if you like this channel, so you subscribe it and press the bell icon to get the notification. Thank you.